Welcome back to Study 101 Uganda, Study 101. Don't forget to stay safe from coronavirus, COVID-19, by washing your hands and maintaining social distancing. Right now we are going to look at the structure of the liver. Basically, we are going to look at the liver. The structure is not that important. They may not draw for you a structure of the liver, but then we are going to look at the content on the liver for our level. Let's begin by this. We are going to look at describing the liver. We are going to describe the liver. After describing the liver, we are going to look at the blood vessels that are attached to the liver. We need to know the uses of the liver, a number of them, and the bad health habits for the liver, bad health habits that damage the liver, and good health habits that help to maintain the liver. This is just some rough idea of what the liver looks like. The liver is the biggest internal body organ. Like we said, the skin is the largest external, but now the liver is the biggest internal body organ, and you have got only one liver. You have got only one liver, and when we look at the functions of the liver in this segment minutes away, you will discover that you need to maintain your liver because you only have one liver. At least with the kidneys, if one kidney gets a problem, you can survive on the other kidney for some time. But now you only have one liver. One quick fact about the liver is that it can regenerate itself once destroyed by half, especially through accidents, not when damaged by alcohol or what. But in case one got a problem and it is destroyed by half, it can regenerate itself to its full size. That's one quick fact. Now, if I was told to describe the liver, how would I describe it? I would say the liver is a reddish brown, I'm using color, it is a reddish brown organ that is found in the abdominal cavity. It has got two major lobes. It has got this lobe and that lobe. For our level, we are not hepatologists. We are not going to go into the other parts of the liver. So it has got a lower lobe and an upper lobe. It has got three. It is found in the abdominal cavity. It has got three blood vessels that are attached to it. It has got three blood vessels that are attached to it. Two of those blood vessels supply it with blood, and one drains it of blood. So, hepatic vein, this one will be taking away blood. Hepatic artery brings in blood, and hepatic portal vein brings in blood. These two are supplying it with blood, and this one drains it of the blood that is in there. So, hepatic artery supplies it with oxygenated blood. Why does it supply it with oxygenated blood? Because it needs food and oxygen to function. So it needs food and oxygen so that it can carry out its internal respiration within. What is the importance of the hepatic portal vein? Hepatic portal vein. We have got only one portal vein, and it's the hepatic portal vein. So the hepatic portal vein brings in blood that is richly supplied with digested food. This hepatic portal vein is coming from the digestive system, and it is carrying digested food. But the only problem is it is carrying deoxygenated blood. It is carrying deoxygenated blood, but that blood is needed because it is enriched with digested food. Why is this blood going to the liver, yet it is also receiving its food and oxygen from here? We shall see that under the uses of the liver, why blood goes to the liver. And then the hepatic portal vein, this one carries deoxygenated blood from the liver to the vena cava. Then the vena cava will pour back into the heart. So we have described it. We have also looked at the blood vessels. Now, the uses of the liver. the first and one of the most important uses is regulating blood sugar or blood glucose. Regulating blood glucose. The liver, with the help of insulin is secreted by the pancreas, but it is instructing the liver to convert any excess glucose into some insoluble form called glycogen, so that it will be used in future when we are in a deficit of glucose. So it is a hormone called insulin. They can ask us the name that hormone that regulates blood sugar. That's called insulin. Insulin is produced in the pancreas, but it is secreted direct into the bloodstream, instructing the liver to regulate blood sugar. Then two, the second importance of the liver is to produce bile juice. Bile juice is produced in the liver and it's stored in the gallbladder. My picture is not showing the gallbladder. Maybe it is beneath the liver. Bile juice contains bile salts which emulsify fats. To emulsify fats means to break down fats into into tiny droplets. Now, bile contains it also contains the bile pigments, which are from the old red blood cells, are excreted through bile, making it responsible for the coloration of our stool, that yellowish brown color which is in the feces. The other uses of the liver helps to metabolize fats, to put fats into use. The liver stores vitamins like A and D. It also stores mineral salts like iron, copper, and potassium. Our liver also helps in what we call detoxification. Detoxification. What is detoxification of blood? Detoxification comes from the term detoxify, which means to make the toxins that we take in, toxins, the harmful substances that we take in within the food, the medicine, and all the things that we ingest are neutralized by the liver. That's called detoxification, to make them less harmful. Then the liver also helps in what we call deamination. We are reducing or removing the amination. It helps in converting amino acids. Once you eat a lot of proteins, the final product will be amino acids. But some of these amino acids will not be needed in plenty because you don't need to grow overnight. So what the liver does is to remove the useful bit to give you energy, and the other bit is given off as a nitrogenous compound. That is called deamination. So the liver helps in deamination. The liver, we have looked at the storage role. Let me go through the functions again. This liver is a storage organ, regulates blood sugar, produces bile, helps in deamination, helps in detoxification. For our level, those are enough. Now, going into the bad habits of the liver, bad habits for the liver. One, alcohol consumption. And then the second one is taking unprescribed drugs. Taking unprescribed drugs. The trickle-down effect goes to the liver because it is the one that has to struggle to detoxify those drugs that were probably not needed in the body. So those are the major ones: taking unprescribed drugs and taking alcohol. Then, which ones are the good health habits? We can reverse these bad health habits and get their opposites as good health habits. Then still, we can take a balanced diet, having a balanced diet, and then regular body exercises. Don't take unprescribed drugs, and don't take alcohol. Briefly, that is what we need to know about the liver, especially as